today we are going to use our 3/8 inch lace ribbon to make a little rose to use for our craft projects. You're only going to need about 8 inches of ribbon for the size rose that I am creating. Now you'll take your end of your ribbon, you'll just tie a knot, a simple basic knot, as close to the end as you can, like that. Trim off any extra length you have at the end of your knot. Hold your knot in your left hand, and you're going to fold your ribbon in half. We're going to put a tiny little dot of hot glue right on the side of our knot. We're going to take our folded in half ribbon and bring it alongside our knot. That's going to create the center of our rose. Now you'll notice I'm using my low temp glue gun because we're using it very close to our fingers and we want to protect our fingers. All right. So next step, what we're going to do with our ribbon folded in half, take my middle finger and kind of use that to kind of press against and use it as a solid surface to press my ribbon against. I'm going to fold my folded ribbon in half and then in half again. I'm going to bring it around the knot like that, hold it in place. I'm going to take my low temp glue gun, put a tiny little dot on the side of the knot, and put my folded ribbon against it and hold it for just a second. I'll turn it in my hand. Again, my ribbon still folded in half. Using my middle finger, I'm going to twist, twist, wrap it around. See how it's becoming to look like a rose? Tiny little dot of hot glue. Press it against, hold it for a second. Turn it in my hand. You're going to get some glue webs. That's perfectly normal. We can get rid of those in the end. So we're just going to continue. Middle finger, twist, twist, wrap it around. Tiny little dot of glue on the under edge of the flower. Hold it in place, turn it in my hand, fold it in half, twist, twist, wrap it around. Hold it in place, tiny little dot of glue under the edge, let it set, and then to finish it off, what I'm going to do, you could continue going if you wanted to, and you can make it as long or as large or as small as you would like to. I'm happy with how large this is, so I'm going to trim my end. You only need maybe about a quarter to a half an inch of ribbon left over. Flip it over. Put a little dot of hot glue on the back side of your rose, and then simply push your extra piece over. If you have any that's a little bit too long, you can give it a little trim. Flip it over, get rid of your glue webs, and you have a simple little mini rose to craft with.